We are in Survive the Wave. Play Glass Tiles because we love Squid Game. I mean, Octopus Game. Glass Tiles. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Emotional damage.
Stop, stop, stop.
Hi, I'm Drop. I haven't seen many other people out here. Are you stranded here too?
No, I just joined. Okay, make a fun obby. Yeah, we just played an obby. Someone just pushed me. Nope, nope. Stop, stop. No, 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 no. No, no. I'm still living. I'm still alive. Oh my god, oh my god. What was that for? Ah! Stop, stop, stop.
Bye, have a great time.
What's this? I don't know. I got a Plinko World Champion. Oh. Is it nighttime?
Are you serious right now, bro?
I can't see anything. I see pitch black. Ah! What? I got teleported. I literally got teleported. Play instant replay. Okay, see, I'm right. I got teleported out of nowhere. Block tower, let's go over here. Okay, I like this. I can see now. You need to do intense parkour. No. That guy did it. Yes. Let's go here. If I die, I'm gonna be mad. You're gonna say that I made it to the top for nothing. I made it to the top for nothing! Happy Burger! Not McDonald's. Happy Burgers. Shoot. No, 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 no. Get to the roof. No, no, no. No. I'm at 1 health. Race! Do the cart rides actually work?
Yep, definitely does.
Wait. Oopsies. This cart ride's really cool. I want to create one. I'm not foreshadowing. That guy literally killed me. Crane game. This is what everybody wants to do. I'm in a crane. Thank God I'm on the top. I win.
Are you sure about that?
Unless you just die. Oh, thank God it went backwards. Because if it went forward, I'd be dead. Wait, what are those flying? No, 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 no. Bro. Please, you can't do this to me. You can't do that to me! The game had to troll me. Troll me. Like, how could they troll Justin Cena on TV? Justin Cena on TV is the best YouTuber and you should definitely subscribe to him. This is not an ad or anything. Oh shoot. Now I'm not at the top.
Bruh.
So the key thing you need to know for today is that I cannot survive the wave.